How to create Twitter X account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Twitter X application on your device. If you do not have the app, you can go ahead and download it easily from the App Store or the Play Store. Once downloaded, launch the app. You will see the option for login or sign up. Tap on that and now tap on create account. In order to create the account, firstly enter your name and then enter your email and then your date of birth. Mentioning the correct date of birth is important here. After entering these, tap on next. If you want to track where you see Twitter X content across the web from, toggle on this button. If not, toggle it off and tap on next and now tap on sign in. You will be sent a code to the email address you just entered, so go ahead and enter the code. You can see I have received the code, so I will enter it here and tap on next. Now create a password for your Twitter X account and tap on next. Pick a profile picture right now itself or tap on skip for now and keep it for later. Select a username. You can select the username from the suggestions provided there or enter username of your own preferences. Tap on next and now tap on continue. With this, your Twitter X account is created. Go ahead and follow users on Twitter X now and tap on next. Select your interest now. It is compulsory to select at least 3 interests for the time being. After selecting, tap on next. Select what do you want to see on Twitter X now and tap on next. You can select from varieties of options such as sports, music, fashion, and beauty, gaming, entertainment, etc. in order to proceed further. And now follow one or more account, tap on next, and with this you will be finally led to the For You page of Twitter X. If you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.